Unlocking the mystery of dry powder. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we'll unlock the mystery behind the phrase, dry powder. This phrase may sound like it belongs in a kitchen or a lab, but it actually holds a different kind of value in the world of business and finance. Stay with us to explore its meaning and use. The term, dry powder, refers to cash reserves kept on hand by a company, investor, or fund to cover future obligations, investments, or emergency situations. It's like having a savings account for unexpected needs or opportunities. The word, dry, emphasizes that the money is not currently wet or invested, where it would be harder to pull out. Powder is a metaphorical extension, likening money to gunpowder, which, when kept dry, can be used whenever needed. The history of dry powder dates back to the days before modern firearms, where actual gunpowder needed to be kept dry to remain useful. The military connotation has stayed with the term as it evolved to signify readiness and potential for action. In finance, being ready to act on an investment opportunity is akin to having your gunpowder ready for use in battle. Let's look at a few examples of how dry powder can be used in everyday conversation. A company might say, "We have dry powder saved up for our expansion plans." An investor could comment, "I'm keeping some dry powder just in case the market takes a turn for the better." During financial planning, one might advise, always keep a portion of your portfolio as dry powder for unforeseen expenses or investments. Dry powder is often used alongside other financial terms and phrases. For example, cash reserves. This is the most direct synonym, referring to the money set aside for future use. Liquidity. Liquidity is about how easily assets can be converted into cash. Dry powder adds to a person's or a company's liquidity. War chest. This phrase is another metaphor for military jargon, which refers to funds allocated for battling market challenges or making strategic acquisitions. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped clear up the meaning of dry powder and how you can use it in various contexts. Remember, having dry powder means being prepared for any financial battles that may come your way. Keep learning, and you'll be fluent in the language of finance in no time. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next one.